In the heart of a blizzard, a little white cat fights to survive, cold, lost, and weak. He finds a broken shed, his only hope. Alone and freezing, he collapses in the dark, barely breathing. A kind man finds him, just in time. Wrapped in warmth, carried with care, a second chance begins. By the fire, with warm milk and gentle hands. Healing begins, blue eyes open, and see kindness for the first time. He's no longer alone. This warm house is now his home. Laughter, love, and play. He's now part of their family. From stray to family, this cat finally found love.